Hello and welcome back to another very realistic vlog. Today's vlog is all about making this house a home. So you may remember this from one of my previous videos that was absolutely jam-packed full of stuff. So we have got rid of all the Christmas stuff, put all of that in the loft, and my job now is to go through all the stuff that's left so that we can start making this room into Ada's room. Hadn't realised this is wallpaper and it looks like proper thick horrid wallpaper. So this will be technically our first project, but because it's such a big job, it's not going to be the first one finished. We're going to do our bedroom as well in the meantime. We've got a new bed coming. I'm so excited. But yeah, there is a lot of work to do in here for Ada's bedroom. So yes, it starts with clearing it all out. I need to sort out all my clothes here. I've got baby stuff that I just don't know what to do with. And yeah, lots of suitcases and stuff like that. So let's make a start. Starting to look a bit better in here. I've got an empty box here. Just unboxed all my old cushions from my old bedroom when it was navy and white at the old house. So they're going to go in the conservatory. I've got some stuff here, baby stuff. I don't know what to do with. Decisions. And then some toys of Ada's that I need to sort out downstairs and sort out what we're keeping and what's going. And then some games and stuff in there with some home decor bits. Got a few pictures and stuff here that need to be put up. And when we were moving, Matt had a drawing of our old dog Patsy done for us, and he smashed the glass on it when we moved. So I need to get that replaced and put up somewhere because it's just beautiful. And then, what have we got in here? Oh, Ada's books from her bedroom. And then finally, and then in this one, bathroom. Bath and beauty. Oh. Well, been here a month and clearly wasn't missing all my creams, was I? So need to get that away as well. So now I've got a pile of things that I want to sell or give away, stuff for the loft, and then I've got to sort in here. Loads of my clothes that need putting away. I've got suitcases to empty. I need to find homes for all of my makeup. I've got boxes here to unpack. Yeah, I think this is going to take me a little while, but it's nice to be able to finally get in and unpack. So let's do this. So I started to feel like I was getting somewhere, and then I found a suitcase full of pure nostalgic clothes, like this tiny little dress that I fit in when I first met Matt in Australia. And looking at that's making me depressed. However, this one, oh my goodness, I loved wearing this dress. I think I wore it to see Calvin Harris. Look at, like, I can get my hand across that. How was I that thin? Fancy dress. And then loads of like hen do party tops. But my favourite is my old TUI uniform. I have, however, been looking for these boots everywhere. They have clearly been in a bag since we moved into our old house 5 years ago, more than 5 years ago. So I clearly didn't miss them that much. So now I don't know what to do with them, because for me they're like core memories. I would love one day to get back in this dress. Would have been handy for this last year if I'd have dropped about 20 stone. But yeah, I don't know what to do with them. I know I should tuck them out, but I don't want to. So where do I put them? This is my issue. Okay, so my clothes are done and away. I've got a load of washing to put on. I've got stuff to go in the bin. I now just need to tackle the rest of it. Unpack all my beauty stuff. Try and find some homes for stuff. I have no idea where it's all going to go. I don't know how this fit in the old house. Is anybody else the same? Or is this just me? So yes, I need to crack on. You know, like when you feel like you've done something productive and then you look at the space that you're in, you're like, oh my God, I think I've just made it worse. That's me right now. Wish me luck. How much better is this looking? Look, I have space. I've still got quite a bit to sort out, so I need to get in and sort out all of my makeup drawers, bedsides, and do you know what you don't realise, like, when you move? Like, our old house had built-in wardrobes with shelves and cupboards and drawers and all sorts. I don't have that here, and it's not really something I ever thought about. These doors do not stay open, they drive me nuts. So yeah, we need to get some furniture when we do this room. So I've actually got somewhere to put my clothes, because right now they're all just rammed in the wardrobe. However, I'm really pleased with how it's looking. It's looking so much nicer. It feels fresher. There's no boxes anywhere. everything for this bedroom has been unpacked. So it's really exciting. We are planning on doing this room over very, very soon, within the next couple of weeks. Don't know if you can see where the old tenants moved out. Hang on, let me zoom you in. You see like where they've touched up the wall, but the paints really don't match. Probably can't see because of the sunshine. Yeah, it's really bad. So yes, we're going to redecorate in here. We're in two minds at the moment what we want to do, because it's such a lovely big room. Like, we could get away with doing something a little bit more dramatic in here, but we also love neutrals and we want to keep it feeling like really big and just nice. And we're already getting a bigger bed, so yeah. But there we go, master bedroom is unpacked. I am loving it, so happy. So I've made a few piles here. I've got some Christmas stuff to go in the loft. I'm going to pop this on the local Facebook page. New phone screen for my phone because it is knackered. All to go in the loft. Fake tan to put away. Yes, I know, I've got quite a lot. And then just a few more bits in here to get away. But then once all that's out of the way, we can start planning this room. We need to measure it all up. Strip wallpaper. Sort out our snot drip ceilings. Aren't they lovely? And yeah, start making this an epic bedroom for Ada, which I'm really excited about. I've got a few more Christmas bits in here to go in the loft, but I've also got some decorations downstairs that I haven't put away yet. I've got clothes here to go on Vinted. And yeah, just a few bits, but look at the size of this. It is massive. Such a good storage space. I'm really, really happy with this. So yeah, not bad for a couple of hours work on a Sunday, won't lie. Absolutely sweating, but it is starting to look more like a home. And we've not even been in a month yet. It'll be a month tomorrow since we moved in. And yeah, getting really happy with our progress. Just got, Matt's got a car full of boxes. That is the last stuff now to come over. And that needs to go in the loft. But I'm just so happy with this. I wish you could smell just how fresh it is. My new, is this, my Carpet Fresh. I love Carpet Fresh. But this one, what scent is it? Apple and water lily. Oh my God. It's a must. But I still need to hoover all here and do all down the stairs. So once we've got this out of the way, I'm going to clean all of that. But for now, I'm going to go and have a cup of tea, play with Ada. So thanks once again for watching. I hope you enjoyed some reality. Hope it's given you some motivation. If I can make my bedroom from a bomb site into this in like under 2 hours, it's amazing what you can do when you put your mind to it. So yes, hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again soon for my next vlog for turning this house into a home. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.